Are you ready to discover the top investment opportunities that could skyrocket your portfolio in 2025? We're on the cusp of a new era, driven by disruptive innovation in several key sectors. In this video, we'll delve into three of the most promising areas: clean energy, healthcare technology, and cybersecurity. We'll examine the market trends, key growth factors, and leading companies driving this revolution. Our analysis suggests that these sectors are not just trends, they're mega trends. Let's talk about clean energy, a sector that's been on the radar for a while but is now hitting a tipping point. We're seeing a confluence of factors driving its growth, from the decreasing cost of renewable energy technologies like solar and wind to supportive government policies and increasing consumer demand for sustainable solutions. Remember when solar panels were a novelty, something you'd only see on eco-conscious homes? Today, solar and wind energy are becoming increasingly cost-competitive with fossil fuels, making them a viable and attractive option for both individuals and corporations. This shift has been nothing short of remarkable, driven by technological advancements that have made renewable energy production more efficient and affordable. Governments worldwide are recognizing the urgency of climate change and enacting policies to accelerate the transition to a greener future. We're seeing substantial investments in renewable energy infrastructure, tax incentives for businesses and individuals adopting clean energy solutions, and stricter regulations on carbon emissions. These policies are creating a supportive environment for the clean energy sector to flourish. People are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their choices, and they're actively seeking out sustainable products and services. This shift in consumer behavior is creating a powerful tailwind for companies operating in the clean energy space. Now, when we look at the investment opportunities within clean energy, it's not just about the solar panel manufacturers or wind turbine producers. While those are essential components, the true potential lies in the companies innovating across the entire value chain. Think about it. The transition to a clean energy future requires a complete overhaul of our existing energy infrastructure. We need smart grids to manage the intermittent nature of renewable energy sources, energy storage solutions to ensure a reliable power supply, and software platforms to optimize energy consumption. This is where things get really exciting. We're seeing a new breed of companies emerging, developing cutting-edge technologies that will underpin the clean energy revolution. Companies specializing in areas like grid modernization, battery technology, and energy management software are poised for significant growth as the world transitions to a cleaner and more sustainable energy future. One compelling area within clean energy is electric vehicles. We've seen a dramatic increase in EV adoption in recent years, driven by factors like falling battery prices, government incentives, and the increasing availability of charging infrastructure. But the EV revolution goes beyond just the vehicles themselves. The shift to EVs will require a complete transformation of our transportation ecosystem. We'll need a massive expansion of charging infrastructure, both public and private, to support the growing fleet of electric vehicles. This presents a significant investment opportunity in companies involved in developing and deploying EV charging solutions. Moreover, the batteries that power EVs have applications far beyond just transportation. They can be used for stationary energy storage, helping to integrate renewable energy sources into the grid and enhance grid stability. This opens up another exciting avenue for investment in companies at the forefront of battery technology and energy storage solutions. The clean energy revolution is not just an environmental imperative, it's an economic opportunity. Now let's shift our focus to another sector ripe with opportunity: healthcare technology. This isn't just about digitizing medical records, it's about leveraging cutting-edge technologies like artificial intelligence, genomics, and telemedicine to revolutionize how we diagnose, treat, and manage diseases. Imagine a world where your doctor can access your entire medical history, analyze your genetic predispositions for certain illnesses, and monitor your vital signs remotely, all with the help of AI-powered tools. This is the future of healthcare, and it's closer than you think. One area where we're seeing remarkable progress is in personalized medicine. Advances in genomics are enabling us to understand the human body at a molecular level, paving the way for tailored treatments based on an individual's unique genetic makeup. This means more effective therapies with fewer side effects, ushering in a new era of precision medicine. Another game changer is telemedicine. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the adoption of virtual consultations and remote monitoring, making healthcare more accessible and convenient. This trend is here to stay, with telemedicine platforms becoming increasingly sophisticated, integrating wearable devices and AI-powered diagnostic tools. AI algorithms can analyze vast data sets of medical images, patient records, and research papers to identify patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect. This is leading to earlier and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatment plans, and the development of entirely new therapies. Imagine AI algorithms that can detect cancerous tumors in their earliest stages, predict the likelihood of a patient responding to a particular drug, or even design personalized treatment plans based on an individual's genetic profile and lifestyle factors. These are not just futuristic scenarios. They're becoming a reality thanks to the rapid advancements in AI and their application in healthcare. AI is playing a crucial role in drug discovery and development, a notoriously lengthy and expensive process. AI algorithms can analyze massive data sets of molecular structures and biological interactions to identify promising drug candidates, significantly accelerating the development of new therapies and bringing life-saving treatments to patients faster. The convergence of AI, genomics, and other cutting-edge technologies is creating a paradigm shift in healthcare. We're moving away from a reactive, one-size-fits-all approach to a proactive, personalized, and data-driven model of care. This transformation presents an enormous opportunity for investors willing to embrace the future of medicine. The innovations happening in this space have the potential to transform healthcare as we know it. And for investors, it represents an opportunity to be part of something truly groundbreaking. Now let's turn our attention to a sector that's more critical than ever: cybersecurity. In our increasingly interconnected world, where data is the new gold, protecting our digital assets from malicious actors is paramount. Think about it. Our reliance on digital platforms for everything from communication and commerce to critical infrastructure and national security makes us vulnerable to cyber attacks. From sophisticated phishing scams targeting individuals to state-sponsored cyber espionage campaigns, the threats are real and they're constantly evolving. The rise of remote work and the increasing adoption of cloud computing have further expanded the attack surface, creating new challenges for cybersecurity professionals. With more sensitive data being stored and accessed remotely, securing these connections and protecting against data breaches has become paramount. But this is not a time to panic. It's a time to be proactive. The good news is that the cybersecurity industry is rising to the challenge, developing innovative solutions to counter these threats and safeguard our digital future. We're seeing significant advancements in areas like threat detection and response, data encryption, and identity and access management. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data from various sources, such as network traffic, user behavior, and threat intelligence feeds, to identify patterns and anomalies that may indicate a potential cyber attack. This proactive approach to threat detection allows organizations to identify and mitigate risks before they escalate into full-blown breaches. AI-powered cybersecurity solutions can also automate incident response processes, enabling organizations to react to threats more quickly and effectively. Another critical area of focus is data encryption. With the increasing amount of sensitive data being transmitted and stored digitally, encrypting this data is essential to prevent unauthorized access and protect privacy. We're seeing advancements in encryption technologies, making it more difficult for attackers to intercept and decipher sensitive information. Furthermore, the rise of zero-trust security models, where access to data and resources is granted based on verified identity and need to know, rather than implicit trust, is transforming the cybersecurity landscape. This approach minimizes the attack surface and limits the potential damage of a breach by ensuring that even if one layer of security is compromised, the attacker cannot move laterally within the network. The demand for skilled cybersecurity professionals is at an all-time high, and governments and organizations worldwide are investing heavily in bolstering their cybersecurity defenses. This translates into a massive growth opportunity for companies operating in this space. When evaluating investment opportunities in cybersecurity, we look for companies at the forefront of innovation, developing cutting-edge solutions in areas like AI-powered threat detection, data encryption, cloud security, and identity and access management. These companies are not just protecting data, they're protecting our digital way of life. The cybersecurity sector is not for the faint of heart. It's a constantly evolving battlefield where the adversaries are continually adapting their tactics. But for investors who understand the critical importance of this sector and are willing to embrace the challenges, the opportunities are immense. As we venture further into the digital age, cybersecurity will become increasingly intertwined with every aspect of our lives. As we've explored, the convergence of technological advancements, shifting consumer preferences, and supportive government policies is creating a perfect storm for growth in clean energy, healthcare technology, and cybersecurity. These sectors are not just trends, they're reshaping our world. Investing in these areas is not just about seeking financial returns, it's about aligning your portfolio with the future. Don't miss out on these high-growth opportunities. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more expert insights and investment tips.